Hey you guys, I'm so excited to hop on and highlight this amazing yard tool that I just got sent. So this is a 4-in-1 yard tool and this is really cool. So I'm going to show you each of the features of it and why it's so unique. So first of all, you can adjust the height of it right here so you can lengthen this or shorten it. And then there are 4 different attachments that you can put on this that are really cool. So right now we have the bushwhacker on here. It's like this metal saw blade almost. And what you can do is you can turn that on and you can use it to get rid of weeds and kind of like heftier things that you don't want to have to hand trim or mow with your lawnmower. So that is one of the attachments. The next attachment is this can be a weed whacker. So you can actually thread these in and use this as a weed whacker, which is amazing. You can also use it for metal edging. So this also attaches. And then you can also use it as a mini lawnmower. So those little guys go on either side and you can use it as a mini lawnmower. So this is like the super tool. I absolutely love this. I feel like a lot of times you don't get great bang for your buck with your yard tools. It's a one and done type of tool. This is awesome because you can interchange these as many times as you want, which just makes it really cool and unique, but so functional, and I love it. So next cool thing about it, it comes with 2 batteries as well as the battery charger, which is a huge deal. I feel like that's amazing if it comes with the charger and 2 separate batteries, so you can constantly be charging one and using the machine so you don't ever have to just let one die and then wait for it to recharge. You guys, this thing is amazing. The attachment I'm going to show you today is the bushwhacker. So we're gonna go over and use this on some weeds that we have over here. We live by some fields, so we get weeds like crazy. So we're gonna go use this. But the last thing I wanna highlight, this is very lightweight. So this is awesome because I feel like a lot of times these tools are heavy and they're hard to hold on to, and it's just cumbersome to kind of use them. This is not, like, this is super lightweight. This is not taking very much effort at all to hold this. So let's go check this out and see this guy in action. All right, you guys, so you can see right here, my husband is using it on these thistles, and these are hefty. They are hard to get out, and we have them everywhere, and this is taking them out absolutely no problem at all. This thing is awesome. I'm absolutely loving it. I'm going to go show you a big pile of thistles we have out in our backyard, and it literally takes them out no problem. Like, it clears out this entire pile super easily. So this is amazing. Like I said, this is the bushwhacker, but it also can be used for those other modes as well. This thing is so multifunctional, really useful. You can see it is not hard for him to handle at all. Like, this is pretty lightweight, but really gets the job done. I highly recommend this, you guys. I absolutely love when you can get good bang for your buck and you get really multifunctional use out of one tool. That's amazing, and you really can't ask for more than that. So make sure you guys hop on and check this one out. I highly recommend.